Welcome to the next episode of Pokemon Shiny Gold X. This is quite amazing that we finally get to start our new episode. We finally get to start after such a long time, but where's Carlos? Seriously, where is this dude? Ice path ahead. Okay, that's quite nice. So we head into the ice path. Don't know what's gonna give us. It's a little swine up. Let's go use a repel. I don't think I have any. Yeah, I do. So we found HM7 Waterfall. If you are looking for that, that is where it is. This is pretty sweet music for Ice Cave. Okay, so now we're going down to the second floor. I think they're asking us to move these strength balls over. But first I'm gonna look what's down here. Oh, let's just get through. Okay, so hopefully we have strength. Yes, we do, and it's a little Shuckle gonna help us out. Move that over. Okay, have to be very careful. Now we move it down. Oh, we're supposed to go to Ecruteak City. We'll come back right after we're done with Ice Cave, because I completely forgot that we were supposed to do that. I forgot that I can run. Okay, so okay, there we go. So we do that. I think I screwed that one up. No, I actually don't think I screwed it up. I think I did perfectly. Come on. Okay. Now all I have to do is bring it fully in. And voila! Wow. First try. That's really good. Carlos. And now we get this item. I said move. What the heck? Okay, so I'm not exactly sure where to go. I'm basically just playing off what I think areas to go. So yes, we did it, and we got the full heal. Let's head on down, and I think this is pretty easy. There's some items over here. You go in TM case, find Rock Smash, and do we not have Rock Smash? How's that? Wow. That's really stupid of me. Okay, so we get TM44 rest. And we got one more area to go. Maybe, just maybe. I'm sorry guys, I don't have HM6. That is kind of stupid on my behalf. I was about to say, wait, this item's a repel ward off? What the heck? But, yeah. Did I go the wrong way? No, this new spot. Okay, so, new spot. Okay. So we get the PP up. I'm not sure exactly where we're supposed to go. Is this out? Wow, okay, so I don't want to be in Blackthorn City yet. Wow, that was just super fast. Too fast to be exact. Okay, so I don't want to be over here. I want to come back over here. Somehow figure out how. There we go. Can we actually use... Fine, let's just go ahead and see. Wants to learn Waterfall? Well, Clamp Curl will. Oh, we can't use it yet. So, let's just head over. Oh, we have to take one step over. And now we're about to finish up. And looky there, we're done. Wow, you came through the ice path? You must be a real hotshot trainer. Quiet Mountain Place. Okay, so I'm only gonna look through a little bit. Oh, I wish I had Rhydon, but no, I don't. Gonna heal up and then go to Ecruteak City. Maybe look around a few more. Okay, so we are not going to look there, but we are gonna fly to Ecruteak City now, which is kind of what I want to do. So Ecruteak City. Healed up our Pokemon, and maybe they're in here. Repel wore off, we don't care about that. I don't think we're supposed to be in here. I think we just, seriously. I honestly think that we go straight to the Tin Tower. Come on guys, let's go to Tin Tower and face the legendary bird, Ho-Oh. No, I'm trying. Oh my gosh, this is really pissing me off. Thank you. Did I even get the Master Ball? I don't even know yet. No, we didn't get a Master Ball. Let's just speed on our way back. Because we all need Master Balls or Ultra Balls to, in order to catch Pokemon, and seriously, just let me through. Do you not have a Pokemon? Okay, thank you. Let's do that. Just buy 99 Great Balls. Run all the way back. Run all the way back. And we're back to Tin Tower. What bosses we are. We are here to find the legendary bird, Ho-Oh. Is that a Rainbow Wing? You may pass. The guy basically disappeared. Okay, so I want that item over there, so got the full heal. Don't want to go over there yet. So now we're over here, got the super potion, but there's some items I want to go and get. I love the music in Tin Tower. It's like one of the best. Okay, we're at Rare Candy. Got Ultra Ball. Wow, we're stranded exactly right there. We can't go anywhere. Yeah, we can. Basically just stranded us on purpose. Hey! Okay, so go over here. What's going on? Carbos. Nice. Okay, I didn't is my repel out? Yeah, okay. That makes a lot more sense now. No, I don't want to go there. Wait, am I trying to go over there? Maybe, maybe not. Okay, no, I'm not trying to go over there. Oh, I'm trying to get over there. Okay, so. Oh, wow. A little hop and a skip. So we're all ready to the next spot. Twin Tower's pretty boss. So we keep heading on to Hollow. Hollow's near. Very near. And I do not like wild Pokemon. So, hop a skip all the way over here. One of these two is leading us to the closest place that we want to go. That's not it. So, warp ourselves over here. Okay, so, back over here. Well, we know that warp doesn't work. A max revive. So, we're over here. I think I was over here. No, I wasn't. So, if I go down there, I may have been over there. I want that item. But then I have to be forced back over. So, right over here. Strain again. So, come back. Get this item that we don't need because we're already rich. Okay, so I am basically just thinking out loud on where to go. I do not know exactly where to go. So, over here. There we go. Oh my gosh. It's time, guys. Time to rock and roll. Hear that? Do you guys just hear that? Okay, wait for the moment. And we take on the Ho-Oh. Oh my gosh. So, Ho-Oh knows to recover. That is pretty nice. It's 4 times super effective. You're team. And you take it out in 1 hit. What did I get? Got the rainbow wing. Miss. Really? That is... Screw you, C. You suck. Was it even C? No, it was you. You suck. Why the heck do you just have to go kill him like that? stupid Pokemon. Go kill a special little Pokemon named Ho-Oh. Stupid. Just stupid. Why do you have to do that, you little poppycock? Gosh. Okay, so the last thing I'll be doing is taking on the lovely 8th gym. So, we have contestants over here. So, we have this. We have you that's really under leveled, I should say. And should be able to take on this gym, but yeah, it's still under leveled by like 8 levels. I have no idea how you guys can do a Nuzlocke in this place, because to my idea, you can't even get past the first battle, which is so freaking hard. Okay, so... oh, that's pretty cool. So we have strength our way through. Okay. Basically put in a pothole. Wow, first try and I didn't even know where to put it. Let's go down. See what that brings us. Oh, that's cool. So put it there, and then you open up some spots, and son of crap, we need Rock Smash. Guys, we need Rock Smash. No, I don't like Rock Smash, because it just ditched me. Let's Faint Attack it. Then we bring out C, and Twisters us. We use Razor Leaf, takes it down. This may take a while. No, I'm so used to Pokemon Yellow now, and then when I play Pokemon Yellow, then I just come back to Shiny Gold and just like, oh yeah, you do this, and then... I don't think we need to go down all the stairs. In order to get through. So, let's go over here. Hopefully, we can get to the gym leader without facing that one girl. Because I have not found Rock Smashing. And I'm kind of mad that you just goes ahead and kills Ho-Oh. For no reason. No! That is stupid. So I need that one boulder. So I'm gonna come back to you guys on next episode.